Was that yummy? I don't know. The tiny, 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 tiny bit of sound of that Ferrero. And you're on to me, aren't you? Even with all the other noise, you can still pinpoint accuracy hear me eating Ferrero. Yeah. And they're yummy. Are they yummy? I was safe when you were outside. Yeah. A good boy, Glenn. A good boy. Yeah. Oh. They're all gone now. It's all gone. It's all gone. So yeah, this always happens. Emma always has a habit of rubbing the laundry. Pretty much guarantee every time that you put the laundry down, she finds something to rub on. I really don't know what is so exciting about it, but obviously there is. Crazy girl. Do any of your cats, or even dogs, rub the laundry? Let me know. Same time, he's pretty adorable, right? Righto, it is 15:44 in the hour, and I am now going to trace this beauty pattern out. So it's view A. Yeah, A, not C. So the pattern is now traced out, as you can see there, and on that Swedish tracing paper. And I don't know if you guys can see very well. For those of you that are not familiar, it's kind of, I don't know, tracing paper, extra strength but soft at the same time. I don't know if some of you guys are familiar with the, let's just say, toilet paper. It's kind of like that, but much softer. Do you remember all those years ago? It's kind of like tracing paper to wipe you know where. And yeah, I don't know, it's kind of tracing paper mixed like wrapping paper, but softer, but also doesn't lose any strength. Anyway, yeah, really like that. Now I was looking at this view here, and you see the ruching. Be better if I actually show you guys there, the line art. I don't know, I just kind of thought with the ruching there was like some ties that actually made that creation, because like I said before, I had a tee that was kind of bumblebee yellow and it had ruching up the sides, both sides, but it had like the ties kind of that went up that created the ruching, and you could create extra ruching or loosen it to have subtle ruching, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I'm going to have to read through and just see how, you know, there's no channels as such, but it will just be probably a couple stitching lines and then pull them up and then obviously stitch the raw side seams together to create that. Anyway, I may add some ties. It's only because it reminds me of a top a bunch of time ago. But anyway, it is what it is. So that's traced out, and it's going to be in the Polar Bears jersey.
And here we observe my mom preparing this evening's dinner.
And in this dish, it is beef tonight.
And here we observe my mom preparing the vegetables. We have onion, tomato, and a leek. Now it is getting tossed into the beef. And now she is dissecting a leek.
What did this leek ever do to us?
Who knows? And now we have some red liquid going into the crock pot.
Yeah, gonna drown it now. And a sprinkling of herbs. Just chuck it on. So I used oregano, dill, and Marie jam. I can never pronounce that. Then a little bit of water. Try not to spill it everywhere. Give it a bit of a slosh around so it can be motion sickness, probably like you guys will be. Make sure all the flavours are infused. Tea is now going to put the pot and the yummies into the stove oven. Here we go. And they will cook real slow for a few hours until this evening. Yummy.
Yeah.
Also, I wanted to say that one of my lovely viewers has commented on the stove in the oven about saying how clean it is. Yeah, I do like to keep it clean, but also this is kind of a newish one, maybe about a year old now, so regularly change the aluminum foil, and I always like to clean any mess that might fall on the rack there. So yeah, I do my best to keep it clean when I can. If not, T gets in there with his muscles. Yeah, so, but there we go. Right, so carrots, butternut squash and sprouts, and the sprouts, you cut off the ends there. They are going to be for the bunny rabbit and kiwis. Got a bit of broccoli there. And also, just to say, when I do my carrots, I only top and tail. I never peel the skin off, ever. So the skin is on there because it has a lot of vitamins, and yeah, I just, oh, it'd feel really bad if I peeled this skin off. So one of the most nutritious parts of the vegetable there.